In this video, I'm going to show you two functions. The first function is going to be the paste function. What it will allow you to do is take separate strings and paste them together into a single string. For example, right now I have three strings loaded up and they're attached to three variables, x, y, and z. And if I look at them, I could try to do something like this, use the combine feature and do x, y, and z. And when I bring that back, I'm still given three elements in one vector. So they're all separate. Notice I have quotation marks around each one of them separately. But if I use this paste function, what I can do is I can just go through all the string elements I want. So I'll say I'll start with x, then I'll go to y, and then I'm going to add in an extra that's not actually there. And then I'm going to throw in the very last one, z. And what will happen is I get one string element with spaces in between everything, and these are no longer separate elements. These are all now one element. So this paste function actually created a single string element for me there. And then you do have an option in this. If you throw in an extra command, this SEP here, you can tell it what you want to have put in between each of these elements when it puts them together. So I'll just throw some junk in there. And then what I get, if you look at this, it put them all together as one string, but now what you have is these, my gibberish, are my gibberish again, no longer doesn't have it in there because they originally were separate pieces, had their own thing there as their own string, and then more gibberish, and then separate. So that's how you can go about using this paste function to paste together your different string elements. And then if you want to print them, just have them show up down on the console if they're not naturally showing up down there. You just do print, and you type in whatever vector you have to want it to print there, and then they'll show back up. Nothing very much special happens with this at the moment, though.